uh, Our Lady Wild Nature. She's a bear claw thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tips of the claws. A cedar wax wings nest. Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey. A cedar waxwing's nest, savaged by hurricane rains. Oh, hey, oh, hey. The day into the sunset, gray owl, grandfather gray owl prophecy. Learn, oh, my fellow children of the earth, learn of gray owl prophecy, trail of two sunsets. In these tragic days of eco-crises, trail of two sunsets, far more widely applicable than ever. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. A cedar wax wings nest, and ever so songful, no blessing, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. A cedar wax wings nest.